Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to install a free watch face on your Huawei Watch GT free. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. On your phone just go to Huawei Health app and open it, and here we have devices, and this is my Huawei watch, and go to watch faces. And now go to free, and here we have a lot of watch faces, and all are free. You don't need to pay anything for this. And to install a watch face, just select the desired one. Let's pick up for example this one and press install. Wait for a few seconds. And now it's already installed on my watch, and this is how it looks. If you don't like this one, you can choose another one, and we have a lot. So it is very easy in my opinion. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.